Do you want to impress an audience with your confidence and hear resounding applause? Stick with me to the end and I'll reveal 4 best techniques to better your public speaking skills. Hey guys, this is Nikhil from successwheels.com, where I'm passionate to help you how to clap, communicate like a pro. And if this is your first time here and want to improve your communication and public speaking skills, then this is the channel for you. Start right now by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our video. We are doing 3-part series here where you learn how to start, how to better, and how to perfect your public speaking. And this is the second part of the video series. And I'll be happy to email you a free PDF summary of this video topic so you have all the trackable steps and tips while you're working on them. I've posted a link in the section below, so make sure you grab it. If you have watched my earlier video where I talk about how to start public speaking as a beginner, then you have already starting to get the hang of it. Let's see what good speakers take so you can be one of those speakers that audience connect with and have them listen to you throughout your speech. Here are 4 best techniques that can help you better your public speaking. Number 1, organize. I remember when I was working on bettering my public speaking skills few years back. My speech sounded all over the place. I would listen to my recording and fail to understand what I wanted to convey. Can you imagine that? My own speech and I couldn't understand that. People don't often plan to fail. They fail to plan. And that's exactly what happened to me. Did that ever happen to you? Just let me know in the comment section below. Just type yes or no. So the best thing you could do before you get up on the stage and speak is to organize your thoughts. Better just write it down and memorize the important parts. At least just note down few points that you can elaborate on. And remember this, organize in such a way that it flows naturally. That way it's easier and more effective to get your message across. Once you organize it, second tip is KISS, KISS. That it stands for keep it simple and short. As you look to better your speech, KISS is something you should never forget. Simple language is easy to understand, easy to recall. But more often we fall in prey of using complex language and structure to impress our audience. But my friend, sadly it never works. The greatest speech ever used simplest language that everyone in the audience could understand. Unless of course there are a few exceptions, that if you're talking to academicians or scientists. Otherwise, simple is always best. Research shows that listeners' attention span is 20 minutes maximum. Your audience will zone out after that. And if you can keep it short and impactful, expect louder cheers. But in case if you have been given more than 20 minutes, then make sure you somehow bring your audience into your talk. And the best way you could do is make it interactive session. Great, now your speech is organized and is also simple and short. Here is the third one, dress for the occasion. Before you even begin to speak, the audience will judge you on the way you look. Dress for the occasion. But do not wear anything that will distract your audience from what you are saying. Dressing will also mean that you care enough for your audience that you have gone through enough efforts to look good. So unless you are Mark Zuckerberg or Steve Jobs, make sure you wear the dress that the occasion demands. You can go dressed ripped jeans and tee if you are addressing a group of teenagers. Your clothes needs to be wrinkle free and shoe polish. Remember, shoe maketh a man. So let's go to the 4th technique, which is, you guessed it, it's smile. This is the most powerful weapon in your armor. A smile is best way to connect with your audience. It gives confidence and lets your audience have faith in you. It helps audience warm up to what you have to say. And remember this, an immediate response to a smile is always a smile. As you pause between sentences, make sure you have pleasant smile on your face, which will take away any kind of awkwardness you feel. Of course, don't smile unnecessarily. but maintain an expression that says, I'm honored to have such an attentive audience, even if you don't have one. So there you are, organized, kissed, dressed, and smiling. No more fear. I know you are going to do an amazing job up there. You can now go confidently on the stage and rock it with these 4 techniques. Do let me know in the comment section below if these 4 techniques are helpful or not. That's it. Don't forget to grab a free PDF copy of this video topic. Link is shared in the section below. If you have already subscribed to the newsletter of Success Wheels, then this email is sitting in your inbox. I'll see you in the next part of the video series, which is how to perfect your public speaking. Until then, keep speaking, keep expressing. World is your stage.